If you're still filming yourself with your cell phone, you're already behind. And it's not because your phone is bad. It's because the way you're using it keeps you stuck in 2018. While other creators are using systems and AI to operate like a full production team in 2026. Let's be honest. How does a simple video actually go for you? You spend 20 minutes propping up your phone, another 20 fighting with lighting, you restart takes every time you mess up one line, and by the time you're done, you're exhausted before you even start editing. Meanwhile, the creators you think are lucky, they're not filming like this at all. While you're manually recording every single piece of content, they're building systems. They record once, they turn that into a reusable clone of their voice and style. And then they let AI and automation do the heavy lifting. Shorts, long form, clips for other platforms, all spun out from one core system. So this isn't phone versus camera. This is manual versus system. If your entire strategy is hit record on my phone and hope it works, you will always feel behind. Not because you're lazy, but because you're trying to outwork people who've decided to outsystem you instead. Imagine this instead. You sit down once a week, you record one solid master video in landscape, and that becomes your source. AI tools help you clean the audio, generate B-roll ideas, clone your voice for tiny fixes, and slice that master into shorts, hooks, and repurposed content in a fraction of the time. Now you're not just a YouTuber with a phone, you're running a content system. If you're feeling behind right now, it's not a you problem. It's a workflow problem. YouTube growth isn't luck, it's systems. And the second you stop relying on your cell phone as your entire strategy and start building an AI-powered workflow, you stop playing catch-up and start playing offense. If you want to see exactly how to build that system, I've broken down my full AI workflow step by step. In the video linked in the description, I'll show you how to go from stuck filming on your phone to cloned, automated, and scaling, without burning out. Because the future of YouTube doesn't belong to the people who film the hardest. It belongs to the people who build the best systems,